Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Xero accounting plans easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with subscribing to Xero accounting plans, first, open your web browser. Next, navigate to the official Xero website. Once you are on the home page, look for the pricing option in the main menu. Click on the pricing link to view the various accounting plans available. Browse through the different plans to find the one that suits your business needs. When you've made your choice, click on the Get Started or Free Trial button associated with that plan. You will be directed to a sign-up page where you need to enter your details. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. After entering your information, click on the Create Your Xero Account button. You may be prompted to verify your email address, so check your inbox for a verification email. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Xero website to log in with your new credentials. After logging in, you may be taken through a quick setup guide. Follow the prompts to customize your account based on your business type. When setting up your account, you'll have the option to choose your subscription plan again. Review the plan details carefully, then click on the Select or Continue button. You will now enter your payment information to complete the subscription process. Fill in the payment details as required and ensure they are accurate. After subscribing, you will gain access to your Xero account dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features and tools available. You are now ready to begin using Xero for your accounting needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.